Hey guys, it's your boy Anthony, and I'm here to show you guys how to use layer composition. So as you can see here, I have this character here that I worked on called Ram Magic. I'll say Ram Man, but he's a magician, or more or less wizard, right? So this is him here, right? So what layer composition is, if I may say, is something new to Clip Studio 3.0, right? And above, because we're going into four just now, maybe at the end of this year or next year, pretty most, they might release 4.0. You might be able to do a lot more crazy stuff later on. But this here is something for like people trying to lessen down the time when it comes to changing tweaking certain things on the characters, or they want to use it for animation, or you know, different angles and things, or like frame angle and stuff too. You don't want to have to be scrolling through all the layers and then just to find a specific layer, right? So what I'm going to show you here is what it really looks like, right? So let's say I have all of these layers here, I have these three layers here. Let's say I do work for plants, right? So Clarence see this look here and he likes it, or you want something change in it, and I don't want to change the color in this specific artwork here. What I could do is duplicate it and duplicate the folder that has all this in it and create a new folder. And within that new folder, I could just change the color of the character. But let's say that's all I want to target a specific layer within that layer, but I know which layer, which folder it's in, right? So what I could do to lessen down the time for me to be searching for it, I could just go into the composition, right? The layer composition, right? So in order to get layer composition, you want to come up here to Windows, right to the top. You want to click that, which I'll zoom up for you guys, so you guys can see how blind in a moment. And you want to come up here, come down here to layer count, right? Layer composition. With that, that will be right here. So I change here. Right, so this is layer composition. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the normal layers here, and I'm going to go to one. Right, so I have that there. So I duplicate it, and I'll make a new one here. I'm going to save this one here to layer composition. Right, so I'm going to come down here, come right down here, and add. So this one here is layer composition one. Right, you can name it, double click on it and name it whatever you want to name it. That's entirely up to you. I'm going to go back to the layer here and two, right? Leave it here. This is all it is. To layer, back here, here. You could use this for animation, as I told you before. It's like what to say, a montage. Like you have different clothing on the character, or you have the character going around like a circle or something. So actually, the character and things, since it's in Clip Studio, you practically could do that. Right? If you want certain angles on the character and stuff, you could save that within a folder and on Clip Studio, inside Clip Studio, inside the composition. Right, so I have three of these here, right? So let's say I'm going back working on this file here. It's already saved. So let's say I want to go back to the third file. From here, I click that, right? When I come here, the file here. Let's say I talk about shit ton of files now. But the three files that I'm working on, they within them files and then all I need to do is just come here and click whichever one and we'll go straight to that specific folder. Right? Saving not wasting my time and saving me a lot of time. Right, so let's say some people just love to have a lot of folders while working. They have things for every part of the characters. I know who just do that, but I know a lot of people just do that too. I've seen it before because they always want things to look real detailed now, but there's loose track in what folder it's in. This will be like a quick way in showing where to be within what folder you'll be looking for. Right? Looking to change certain things in. So, right, and send to the client or to my preference, whatever one I like, I could use that one. I can make a clutter of them and just use it, right? Or send them out. Put them on a shoot or something. So it's entirely up to me. But this here will save exactly how you, the artist, put it to be. Like say if I want to take off something like let's take off clouds, take off everything, even the highlights and stuff. Take out the background and stuff. And we leave it like that. Right? So we go back into composition and if I click this, I click back on this, just how I save it here in composition is just how it will be. In order for me to get the look that I'm looking for, like what it is right now. So I come back into the line and thing. It'll always do that. But I don't want that, right? So get rid of that. I want to focus on one thing. That's what I focus on the color. Right? Just the color, only the color. So I go back into composition and I save this right here. Right, so this one is the fourth one. If I come here, I start, if I come here, this will be four. Right, so basically you're saving, you can save it in layers and see how the line art look and how the shades and the highlights and you can save it in different sets. So you can focus on that one specifically, right? So in this layer here, this full layer it will be like I'll come back here, all of these here, I'll see it's inside the composition to be off. So I will know which part to focus on. Understand what I'm saying? So that's basically how this works. So if I want to have it like that, have it in that, you can save it in each sector, right? For each layer within the composition. You save it like that and focus on what layers you have activated or unactivated. That's how you could work in it when it comes to this, right? I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to show you here. So this here is the introduction to composition layers. If you guys want me to show you how to do the animation ones, I can do that also. But yeah, later in the comments. Alright? Well, this is me signing off. I hope this video was insightful to you guys. I hope you guys learned something new. I'll be heading out. You guys stay safe, stay healthy wherever you are in the world. I am out. Goodbye.